going to talk through today is, branding and marketing. So a little bit about myself. I run a marketing firm, which is also a social impact business. And my experience is from the media space. So looking after brands included in TV, BT, Nickelodeon, as well as iFlix and a few others that you might be aware of. Okay, great. So I would like you guys to let me know what you think about branding and marketing. Are they the same or are they different? Let me know in the comments what you think branding is versus what marketing is. And if you can't hear me, just let me know, okay? What is the difference between branding and marketing? I wish we were in the same room, or I have candies to hand out to you. Somebody says they feel like they're different. I really like that. Somebody says that branding is who you are. There's quite a famous quote about branding from Jeff Bezos, who's the founder of Amazon. And he basically said that branding is what people say about you when you're not in the room. That's what a brand is, right? Has anybody heard that before? Great, building the image of your business. So you guys seem to have a very good awareness around what marketing and branding are. So branding is like show and tell. Branding is showing and telling people who you are as a company. What do you stand for? What is that connection point between yourself and your consumer or the people who you're trying to solve a problem for? How can you find that point of connection to truly sell your brand? Because once they buy into your brand, then your marketing activities, which are actually specific tactics to promote your products and services, are going to work, right? So what is the reason why we pick certain brands? For instance, for the ladies in the room, makeup brands, why do you feel a connection to a specific brand of makeup? That if you cannot find that brand of makeup, you're not going to be able to use anything else. Is that about the product or is that about the brand? Let's think about that. Somebody said quality. Is it a perceived quality or is it an actual quality? So branding is a lot about who you are, what story you're telling, who you're trying to connect with, and that what they call a point of parity between yourself and your consumer. So what is that point of connection?